learn fast.
I'm no cherry, honey. It's just that you're so damn big.
Well, I should have known, you fucking nympho bitch.
Please be gentle. Oh, you bastard. Oh, you prick.
I need a bitch, a special bitch. I need a bitch who pussy poppin' booty switch. I need a bitch, fellatio, on the freeway with my pedal to the floor. I need a bitch like cherry pie. I need a bitch like Bushwick Bill need an eye. I need a bitch, an alcoholic. I need a bitch puking bent over my toilet. A bitchy bitch, bitchy about nothing. I need a bitch to jism in her belly button. I need a bitch, a prostitute. She fucks my homies and we can split the loot. I need my cherry pie. I want you, lady.
I want my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
I need my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
Give me my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
My cherry
pie. Fresh out the pen. I need a bitch like Harlem Williams, DZ Chin. I need a bitch. I'm in okay, so she gets me cheating, shoot us both in the face. Bang, bang. I need a hoe to use me for my money. Ching, ching. I need a bitch like Chris Candido, baby Sonny. I need a freak like cherry pie, like whipped cream, lemon, cherry pie. I need a woman to let me hit it. In the bushes raw at the herpes clinic. What? I need a bitch who like to fight and get her nose ripped out like every night. I need my cherry pie. I want you, lady.
I want my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
I need my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
Give me my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
My cherry pie.
In a cheap hotel, so I don't know which one to blame for the smell. I need a bitch that doesn't care. She likes to finger fuck her booty in the mirror. My cherry pie, my cherry pie, my cherry pie with lemon jello cherry pie. I need a bitch who that can run, a bitch who suck on dick like Eminem, mama. I need a bitch, I need a slut. I need a bitch who like bananas in her butt. I need a bitch, now more than ever. I need a bitch who gets a head that I can sever. I need my cherry pie. I want you, lady.
I want my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
I need my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
Give me my cherry pie.
I want you, lady.
My cherry pie.
As a coxman, you're great with the best.
Coming from you, that's a hell of a compliment, Freakhound.
I hate to see you go.
Who's leaving, you dumb bitch?
Lady, I